Just thought that'd be a really fun thing to do. I had taken a similar thing from a police department in a different state.
Picture of 2024 Citizens Academy standing in front of SWAT vehicle.
Signed up for this.
You don't have to have a background in law enforcement, because I certainly didn't. But just come in with an open mind.
The victim services and the civil and the DA and the bomb squad.
Picture
and
of
SWAT
2024 Citizens Academy posing with jail
really
staff.
Thorough. And all the instructors, all the sheriffs did a really good job of answering questions.
Pictures
Honestly,
of 2024
I was just
Citizens
to expand
Academy
my knowledge
touring
and
the
have a
Adams
better
County
understanding
Courthouse.
of how actually law enforcement works and what different areas I could have a career.
If you're on the fence about joining, just sign up, because it
Various
is
photos of the
a remarkable
2024
experience.
Citizens
You get to
Academy
meet
during
amazing
classes.
officers, amazing, specialties within the Adams County Sheriff's Office, and just you get to experience something that not very many people do, and you won't regret it.
Ad for the 2025 Citizens Academy, which runs every Wednesday evening, March 5th through April 23rd from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. There are also 2 Saturday classes on March 15th and the 22nd from 9 a.m. to noon. Applications are found at adamssheriff.org and are due before February 24th.